How to add echo effect in audio CapCut. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure to add echo effect in audio CapCut. So to begin with, first thing first, open the CapCut application and log in. So once you're logged into your CapCut account, then you could go to the edit section from the left hand side corner of your screen and add a new project. Now for example, I'm gonna go for these particular topic. So there you have. Now what you need to do is just click on the title, and then you have these at the bottom there are a lot of tools. You just need to look for extract audio options over here. You could find it right on this section. So you just need to swipe towards your left and look for extract audio options. There it is. So once you actually click on the extract audio, there you have the audio extracted on the next timeline or onto the other timeline. Just select the audio now then, and over here what you want to do is scroll down or just swipe towards your left, and you want to go ahead and look for audio effects. So when you go to the audio effects, you have these echo. You could click on it, and accordingly, whichever is perfect or how much capacity or how much you want, you could adjust it by doing it onto it, and just go ahead and click on it. You could just go ahead and adjust the sensor and then click on the tick button, and then you have these echo enabled or added echo effect in CapCut. So that is how it basically works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.